Are you a gamer and you want to earn money online? Worry no more, because I'll be showing you exactly how to do that in this video. So if you are new to this channel, make sure you like and subscribe guys, so you don't want to miss out on our next drop. So in today's video we are going to be talking about Playtest Cloud. So what is this website used for guys? So this website pays gamer for them to test a new upcoming game, which is an unreleased game, and give their feedback on it. So that is how Test Cloud works guys. Now let's scroll down. You see here, yes, it's trusted by these top video game studios. You can see here, this is a PlayStation, Ubisoft, see Game Loft. Like there are a lot of big game platform here. So guys, as you can see this game right here, so it's probably in testing right now, and as you can see here, let's check out this comment. Here says the player find the automatic game opening process strange and unexpected. The next one here says the player appreciate the inclusion of lesser known Marvel characters which add depth and appeal to the game. The next one says the player find the matchmaking process very fast, which is a positive experience. As you can see, like people are just giving their different opinions about the game guys, so that is how it works. You will also test it and give your own opinion. You need to click, like you need to log in guys. So let's go here. You need to create an account for gamers, and if you create an account for gamers you will start making money. So that is how it works. So if you have any question guys, make sure you drop it in the comment section, and thank you for watching. See you next time.